Hello and welcome to Blooming Memories. You may be watching this as you have purchased or received our Balsam Fir seeds from Blooming Memories in a Christmas cracker, seed card, or grow your own Christmas tree kit. These small seeds, insignificant as they may seem, are capable of growing into majestic balsam fir trees, a testament to the wonders of nature. Let's transform these tiny seeds into a beautiful evergreen spectacle. Stay tuned for our step-by-step guide on how to sow and grow your very own Christmas tree. The first step is to break the dormancy within the seed. This is achieved by a short period of cold stratification in the fridge. You can do this by first soaking the seeds in water for 24 hours. Fully drain away all of the water and place the seeds in a Ziploc freezer bag. Place the seeds in the fridge. It is important that during this period that the seeds do not dry out or are waterlogged, otherwise the pre-treatment will be ineffective. After between 6 and 8 weeks under these conditions, the seeds are ready to be sown. In general, the seeds will fail to germinate unless treated in this way. Simply sowing untreated seeds in compost at room temperature will not break down the dormancy, and germination will be disappointing. Once this process is complete, fill your chosen container with a good quality general potting compost. Suitable containers could be plant pots, seed trays or plug trays, or any container with drainage holes. Firm the compost gently and sow the seeds on the surface. If you are sowing in plug trays, sow 2 or 3 seeds per cell. Cover the seeds with a couple of millimeters of vermiculite or failing that a fine layer of sieved compost. Follow with a gentle watering and keep them at room temperature. The soil should be kept moist but not soggy. A gentle sprinkling of water should suffice. Remember, too much water can lead to root rot. Place your pot in a location where it can receive plenty of indirect sunlight. Balsam firs thrive in cool, well-lit environments. Be patient, as germination can take several weeks. Once your seedling has sprouted, continue watering it regularly and begin to introduce it to more direct sunlight. As your balsam fir grows, it may need to be transplanted into a larger pot or directly into the ground. Protect your growing tree from pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your balsam fir for signs of trouble and treat any issues promptly. In summary, the journey of growing a balsam fir from a seed involves a period of cold saturation. Gathering your supplies, preparing the pot, planting the seed, watering it, situating it in an ideal location, nurturing the sprout, and safeguarding the maturing tree. It might seem like a long process, but the reward of witnessing a seed transform into a beautiful evergreen tree is truly priceless. These seeds were procured from Blooming Memories, a one-of-a-kind company that sells unique seed greetings cards, bespoke seed packets for special events, and seed gifts. If you want to find out more, visit www.bloomingmemories.co.uk today. Thank you for watching.